I am Becca T-Bond, mom to 3 grown-up girls, a trainer for 37 years, and I'm here to introduce you to PowHERbands and the Killer Bees 17-minute resistance band training program. PowHERbands offers a unique grip design that is soft and comfortable around your wrists, hands, legs, or feet. No more slipping, snapping. They're odor-free and latex-free. And is a glute band. It's made out of a lightweight fabric with a stitched in elastic inside so it doesn't ride up and stays right where you need it. Band named it that because it does just that. It is my go-to band for really tightening and sculpting, but I also love how it adds assistance. This silicone made band is used for both around the hands and the feet, and you are going to get amazing results. The last band is the Sexy Flexi. I use it 80% of the time. This trio is travel friendly. Never miss a workout. They'll go wherever you go.